Okay, this is my water. Freaking turn the light on really quick. I'm gonna leave. Okay, see my bird. Okay. So, was that a lot of water? Not more than it needed to be. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do now is get that little rice off of there. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm just so crazy when it comes to this whole uh camera shit, okay? Who cares? I'm trying. That's all that matters. Okay. This looks delicious. Okay, this is what I meant by like basting it. I was doing that. Okay, this looks delicious, you guys. Okay, so all I'm gonna do now is put the top on, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven. Okay, I am recording. Last time I wasn't fucking recording. Okay, this is gonna be heavy. Back in the oven. Now, I gotta put a timer on for 30 minutes because I just burned myself. But I gotta put a timer on for 30 minutes so I can make sure that I call my son because I'm not gonna be home in time. So I'm gonna need to call my son and let him know that he needs to turn the oven to 375 so it can, oh, and take the top off so it can finish cooking perfectly, and then we'll be good. And I'll do a little short to show you guys how it came out so you're not like, it's gonna be bomb. Watch.